Guten Tag und herzlich willkommen, Freunde und Familie. That's all I got.
I'm ready to take on this life with you through all the ups and downs. This is it. Right here. Let's do it!
We appreciate everybody who came from Germany. We appreciate everybody that's come from across the world. It was really important for Emma and I to have everybody that we love celebrate our wedding with. And everybody made it.
I just told Mike I wish I could, or we could pause time and just have this forever. Great. I'm so excited for tonight. Let's just have so much fun. But I mean, just looking at you guys, I know it's going to be a great time. So very excited.
Mike, if there's one thing that you've taught me, and I think you've taught a lot of us, it's that you need to trust in your heart, attack all of life's challenges, and most importantly, when things don't go right, have the courage to ask for help. And I really admire that in you.
I want to thank you all, guys. This is the really perfect wedding with so beautiful people here. I want to raise a glass for Mike and Emma, and I wish that your love stays so strong, like a Wi-Fi connection till now. So cheers to you guys.
One of the many great things about Mike, he has extremely high EQ, and you can see that all by all the people that we have here. Very, very, very powerful, and very proud of you, bro. Cheers to Mike and Emma. Congratulations.
Mike and Emma, my wish for you is that you have a long future taking turns holding the wheel von Autos und vom Leben. Prost.
To Mike, now you belong to our family. We are one family together. It's not only Mike, it's all of your family.
And I have the best siblings I could ever wish for.
So let's just take a moment to arrive to this beautiful place. So we're gathered here today to celebrate a love story that spans thousands of miles, perhaps millions of kilometers, days of pre-dawn fishing trips, and weeks of basketball games. So Mike, you admitted that what you love most is Emma's drive and determination. She's an unstoppable force, and you're attracted to Emma's strength and her desire and her order and excellence. And Emma, you admitted that Mike, well, he was opposite the man you thought you would marry. You admitted he's helped you see the world differently. Now, two strong forces, such as yourself, well, it could be trouble. But in nature, you get two large boulders colliding. Well, that causes sparks. And sparks cause fire. And fire, well, that can burn down whole forests.
Das sieht auch toll aus. Das sieht so unglaublich aus.
Wasserfestes
Happy Colors here. Happy Colors.
I've spent most of my adult life traveling the country, trying to find the place where my heart felt at home. But I continued following my heart, and I was always searching. And then I met you.
Mike, I can't believe we're standing here. It's been quite the journey. You're the best thing that could have happened to me. I'm so grateful to have you by my side.
And I'm not searching anymore. Here, with you, I park my heart. And I promise to love and protect yours.
Thanks for teaching me how to pause life, for being my favorite teammate. You're my best friend, my safe space. I love you.
And Mike, you may kiss the bride.
And I'm very fortunate to have three amazing daughters-in-law. Am I the luckiest woman in the world to have this one? We, as a Fisher family, we have Emma to love for the rest of our lives.
Right now we're in what's known as the transfer window. And I learned a lot of this from Anton as I was listening to it, and I thought, wow, this is a hell of a deal. We get to trade them, Mike, and we get Emma. I thought,
Raise your glasses to Mike and Emma.